Kumar. Today I have show how to install Anaconda Jupyter Notebook for using data analytic, data science, and all all the analytic tools. Then first we have click open Google Chrome, and then we have write Anaconda download. You have write Anaconda download and click enter, and after that in first line you have see that link is link www.anaconda.com, and you have simply click that click here, and after that you have sorry, you have see that in in the anaconda front page, you have seen that all these things open source, user friendly, trusted, and features like Jupyter, a spyder, Numpy, Pandas, and all Matplotlib and all. Then you have simply here and download, and click here download now, and after that and and download part will be started simply. And when download and when and when anaconda is downloaded completely, then you have click here, and my file downloaded is new volume G, and I am simply click this, and you can see that anaconda 3 2022 10 windows uh, 0.64 here. You simply click here two times, and after that uh, and after that process will be started, and wait some time to to process it, and after that anaconda here you will you have easily click next, then you have click I agree, then you have click next, and uh, then a process will be start how to install anaconda. As you see that after this he he take time, he take some time. You can see that still installation process is ongoing. Wait for some minutes. After completing this process, you simply click next, then next, then you have click finish. Wait some time. After installation of anaconda Jupyter Notebook, you have simply click here and write anaconda. If you have write anaconda, then here you have see that anaconda prompt, and you have click enter here, and after that you have write here Jupyter, 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 a space notebook, Notebook, book, and you have click enter here, and wait some time, and after that you have click here, and after that you have see that you have open something here, uh, open something this window page, and you have see that you have completed anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please share, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you very much.